Welcome to 2018-2019 orientation for first grade, Ms. Campos, Ms. Chapman, and Ms. Turvey. Here's our class schedule. At 7:25, we pick up class in cafeteria. At 7:30, we have announcements. At 7:45, we have intervention. 8:15, writing. 8:40, specials. 9:30, reading. 10:20, working with words, which is phonics. 10:50, we start our math block, and we start with math calendar and number talks. At 11:30, Ms. Campos' class goes to lunch. At 11:35, Ms. Chapman and Ms. Turvey will go to lunch. At 12:05, we have recess. At 12:25, we will continue math and have restroom breaks. At 1:35, we will do science or social studies. Between 2:35 and 2:45, we will pack up and dismiss. Our special schedule. Ms. Campos on Monday will have PE, art on Tuesday, PE on Wednesday, music Thursday, and Friday 1 we have PE, and Friday 2 we have enrichment. Ms. Chapman on Monday has enrichment, PE on Tuesday, music on Wednesday, PE on Thursday, and music for Friday 1 and PE for Friday 2. Ms. Turvey on Monday has music. On Tuesday, she has PE. On Wednesday, she has art. On Thursday, she has PE. And on Friday 1, she has enrichment. And Friday 2, she has PE. Library days. Ms. Campos goes on Wednesday. Ms. Chapman goes on Wednesday. And Ms. Turvey goes on Friday. Some of our school policies. We pick up students up in the cafeteria at 7:25. The tardy bell rings at 7:30. Students who are tardy are missing important procedural time and announcements. Students with too many tardies will get a phone call from the assistant principal and/or the teacher. Some more school policies are, if your child is absent, we need a note with the dates and reason why when they come back to school. Doctor notes are always excused. The first 9 absences with parent notes are excused. Any absences after that are unexcused. Students with too many absences will be asked to attend Saturday school with a parent to make these days up. Student expectations in first grade. I will do my best work. I will pay attention in class. I will do my own work. I will take turns, and I will always share. Classroom rules for first grade. Keep our hands and feet to ourselves. Make good choices. Level 0 while walking in hallways. Raise your hand when you need help. And have fun and learn. Some lunch procedures are lunch choices include a main entree, an alternate entree, or salad. Lunch menu calendars come home at the beginning of the month. Review with your child what they want to order each morning. Students make a lunch choice as they come into the classroom in the morning. The teacher will turn the order into the cafeteria based on their choices. Dismissal. If how your child is going home changes, please send a note to school. If it is a last-minute change, please call the school and let the office know by 2 o'clock. We dismiss at 2:35. Please be outside ready to pick up if your child is front porch. 2:35. Bus students need to keep their bus tags on their backpacks all year. Communication folders, which are take-home folders. They go home every day. Please check for papers and clean out nightly. Behavior charts stay in the first pocket of the purple Avid folder. Resources in purple Avid folder. And reading logs are at the back of the blue take-home folders. Your Avid folder is your purple Avid folder that goes home every day. Avid focuses on organization and writing. We also do T-charts in all of our journals. We keep graphic organizers in our journals, and our journals and folders are all colored, coordinated according to subjects. Our homework policy in first grade. Each week there will be a homework packet that goes home on Monday and will be returned on Friday. Please sign front page of the homework packet. Homework policy for our reading log. Please have your child read 20 to 30 minutes nightly. Please write title and initial each night. It goes home beginning of the month and checked weekly on Friday. Please ask questions before, during, and after reading. Some more reading. We will have a fluency page that will be coming soon. This fluency page goes home every Monday with homework packet and comes back every Friday. Please read every night and complete activities at the end. Please ask your child questions before, during, and after reading. We will also have some reading books. They are leveled books. They will be coming soon. These leveled books will be sent home weekly in a bag or folder. Please return books in bag or folder every Friday. They can be used for their 20 to 30 minutes of reading. Grading. Any assignment that your child receives that is 69 or lower can be redone at home for a 70. Please return to school as soon as possible for regrading. If your child is absent, graded makeup work will be completed at school. Some things we do in language arts in first grade. We do beginning blends and diagraphs, long and short vowels, and ending blends and diagraphs. We also study synonyms, antonyms, compound words, contractions, nouns, verbs, adjectives, and plurals. We do have 111 word wall words. Within those 111 word wall words, there are word family words. In reading in first grade, we read fiction, nonfiction, and poetry stories. During reading, we decode and we have comprehension strategies. Students need to have good comprehension, fluency, and be on level J by the end of first grade. In writing, we write fictional stories, nonfiction stories. We learn how to write letters, poems, lists, and we do research. A first grader should be able to write 5 to 10 interesting sentences on one topic by the end of the year. We also do the writing process during writing. Some things to work on is spacing in between words, capitals at the beginning of the sentence, and punctuation at the end. In math, we count by ones, twos, threes, fives, tens, all the way to 120. We add and subtract to 20. We tell the time to the hour and half hour. We recognize and know the value of all coins and count sets of coins. A first grader needs to know 2D and 3D shapes. We do fractions, measurement, and graphing. In first grade in science, we study animals, plants, interdependence, types of matter, rocks, soil, water, objects in the sky, energy, weather, seasons, recycling, basic needs, science tools, using senses, and magnets. Some things we study in social studies are rules and laws, communities, landforms, bodies of water, leaders, past, present, and future, changes in technology, Earth's resources, and goods and services. Some things you need to know for field trips. Parents or family members that wish to go on a field trip must be DPS cleared. You can do that online or see the office. Field trip forms must be signed and returned, or students are not allowed to attend field trips. Parent volunteers. Parents or family members that wish to volunteer must be DPS cleared. Again, you can do that through the internet or the office. Parents can volunteer during the day at school, putting up bulletin boards, laminating, making copies, or at home assembling books, cutting and laminating, or prepping materials. Some important information to know is your child is welcome to bring a water bottle with a lid to class as long as it does not become a distraction. Students are encouraged to keep a sweater or light jacket in their backpacks as the temperature in the classroom can be cold. Students need to wear tennis shoes on PE days. Mondays, students are encouraged to wear college t-shirts. Fridays are Spirit Days. Students are encouraged to wear a Stahl t-shirt or a blue shirt. Here are some helpful websites: spellingcity.com, starfall.com, abcya.com, and coolmath.com. Here is some contact information for Ms. Campos. It's ncampa1@neisd.net. For Ms. Chapman, schapm@neisd.net. And Ms. Turvey's is aturve@neisd.net. The school phone number is 210-407-7400. Our conference time for first grade teachers is 8:40 to 9:30.